Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Moses, and today I want to show you how to replace a little light bulb like this from a cluster on a Honda CRV 2005. Let's get to it. Alright, as you can see here in the dashboard, this area is dark. All this area should be bright just as the other side. And the light bulb that we need to replace is right there on the odometer. All this area is dark and should be very bright. When I went to the Honda dealership, I was able to get this diagram that shows the light bulb that we need to replace. In this case, is the number 8. That's why I highlighted in red. And also, I highlighted in yellow the screws, the 3 screws that we need to remove in order to be able to remove the whole set out of the dashboard. In order to remove the cluster, first we're going to have to remove these 2 doors. After removing these doors, we also going to have to remove a couple of screws. There is one right there on the right top corner. That's the first one that we want to do. Once this is done, we move to the other side and we're gonna remove the screw that is right there on the left side here. That's the only screw that we have to remove for now. Then we're gonna be able to remove the whole panel that you see here. Bring the steering column down. Okay, so we're gonna start removing the panel from the left side. Little by little, you're gonna try to pull out the panel without applying too much force. Just take your time and find a way to pull it from both sides. Now that we have removed the panel, we're gonna need to remove that screw. Now, if you prefer, you can remove the panel completely if you remove this connector, and then you will have more room to work. The next step is to remove this plastic cover from the cluster. Again, little by little, you pull out the cover. Before removing the plastic cover completely, you will need to put the gear in neutral. Then put it back in parking. The next step is to remove this screw, that one, and this one, right there. The next step is to remove these 2 connectors, the blue and green one. So here is the light bulb that we're gonna need to replace now. This is the light bulb that I bought at the dealership. And it's gonna go in here. Alright, so we're gonna remove this light bulb with these pliers. I'm wearing gloves just in case, because I don't want to touch that light bulb and leave my fingerprints in there. Otherwise, the light bulb might stop working after a while. So just be careful with that. Don't touch the light bulb. Okay, we have here both light bulbs side by side. The one on the left is the bad one, and the one on the right is the new one. And maybe you can notice that the one on the left, the tip is a little darker compared to the new one. Okay, this is done. So we're gonna put it back on the dashboard and see what happens. All right, it is working. As you can see, now we can read the odometer with no problem. It is very bright and nice. This is the light bulb that we had replaced already, the number 8. And I had to pay $19.66 for the number 8 light bulb. It's kind of expensive. And this is 14 volts, 1.26 watts. As you can see, we have different light bulbs with different wattage. And maybe that's why they are a little more expensive. So far, this is the only one that I had to change for now. And if you want to save even more money, maybe you can try Amazon, where you can get a package of 10 LED light bulbs for less than $10. But I don't know how long they're gonna last. So it's up to you to try that or not. Alright, well, I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions or comments, please do so. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. See you the next time. Bye.